The thing you'll notice once again as soon as you walk out the door today is the humidity, very high at 93% this morning. The temperature sits at 66 degrees. Sunrise at 6:22 this morning. Sunset is at 9:03. We'll have hazy sunshine throughout the day today, very similar to yesterday. We won't have that bright blue sky because of the humidity, but it's 66 in Bloomington as well as Peru. Make the drive from Indianapolis up to 69, up Interstate 69 to Muncie, where it's 69 degrees. It's 67 right now in Terre Haute, and really region-wide. A very summer-like weather pattern is setting up. No longer do you see the cool air with the temperatures in the 40s and 50s like we did yesterday. Everybody, whether you go north, south, east, or west, is currently in the 60s and 70s. 70 right now in Evansville as well as Chicago, 65 in Des Moines. And this very summer-like weather pattern has not only high temperatures, but also higher humidity levels. And as you look at the dew points, anytime you're in the 60s, it's starting to get a little bit uncomfortable. And you notice all across the state of Indiana, we are in the 60s, and it really goes down towards Nashville and up towards Michigan as well. So this is going to be a very humid air mass that will be in not only just for today, but really through Thursday. I think it's not until Friday that we start to break the humidity just a little bit. Now, with the heat and the humidity comes the chance of isolated thunderstorms. Nothing on TrueView radar right now, but we are expecting isolated storms to start to flare up a little bit throughout the course of the day. You notice one little shower trying to get going right now near Lafayette. That's most likely not reaching the ground at this point. The better storm activity is off to our west, and this is where it kind of hangs for another 24 hours before it starts to make its push here into the state. So as we go throughout the day on TrueCast, hazy sunshine, it becomes warm, it becomes humid, and then just watch as we get into the peak heating of the day, say after 3, 4 o'clock. A few isolated showers start to flare up, not expecting any severe weather, and the coverage not all that great of the thunderstorm activity. Tomorrow will be the better day, I think, for the chance of storms. So if you're looking for something to do, head down to Victory Field. The Buffalo Bison's in town to take on the Indians. Warm and muggy. Again, the slight chance of a spot storm. Your first pitch temperature is at 84 degrees as far as the day goes, and the temperature trend, we warm up very quickly from 68 to 79 for the noon hour, a high again 84.